We are working on developing an outdoor scene generation model for surveillance robot training. We have developed two distinct solutions. These solutions utilize Nvidia Isaac Sim and Unreal Engine, respectively. Inside Nvidia Isaac Sim, we used Python scripting for scene generation with USD files and the Omniverse library. Our solution model can generate realistic images from different 3D worlds, which will be used as training data for deep learning models. We also use the Procedural Content Generation Framework, PCG, inside Unreal Engine with Blueprint visual scripting for the creation of these scenes. The model comes with all the different sensors such as LiDAR, ultrasonic, contact sensor, IMU sensor, etc., and various camera inputs such as RGB, depth, etc. These will be used for feeding data for deep learning models. We approach the problem by decomposing it into components such as terrain generation, object placement, lighting simulation, and physics modeling. The solution architecture incorporates modules for each aspect, facilitating seamless integration and scalability. A robust context model ensures that the generated scenes are contextually relevant to surveillance robot training. This ensures the realism and efficiency of scene generation, enabling effective training of surveillance robots.